Hey guys, Croissant here, just saying our audio didn't work and Lucky's did, so you won't be hearing ours.
Alright, let's just go straight for it. I'm so, oh! Whoa, that's cool. Let's cosmetics first though. What? Flying monkeys! What? Parrot! What? Oh, this is sick! Oh my god, a mustache. Yeah, there's a free badge. What? What? Badge. Ooh, this is sick. None of these I'm gonna equip, but I'm actually gonna equip this. What's so the bundle? Oh, that's sick. What is the holdable? There's no holdable? Leaf Ninja. It's literally called Leaf Ninja. Oh yeah, this. Yeah, I'm checking out the cosmetics. Alright, whoa. Oh, that's a holdable? Whoa. Yo. It lights stuff on fire. This thing. How did I just do? Hang on. Oh, there's a bird on my head. There's a bird. That's cool. I want to test it. Oh, this actually doesn't look that bad. Oh, the head, the face. This is sick. Yeah, I'm not gonna buy it, but I'm definitely gonna buy that bundle for 10K. I'm buying that. Alright, I'm gonna equip. Yeah, I got the free badge. Oh, that looks cool on your fit. That hat? Oh, let's go. Finally, clouds. Oh, why is it white? Woo! Oh, what is that? Okay, it's the same. Holy! What is those? Are those gliders? What? What is this? Oh, this is my new favorite map. No, this is my new favorite map. I don't care what anyone says. No way. No! Oh my god! I'm flying. Oh my god! Oh, I'm so dizzy right now. Woo! All the wind barriers. Oh my god, that's sick. I'm climbing up this tree. Trying to get up. Whoa, I'm in. There's so much. Wait, there's zip lines? Oh, I see some villages. I'm honestly just walking around. I'm just climbing trees. Oh, no. I made it. I'm gonna jump up. Yeah, the flying I'm gonna have to get used to. Oh, they have the ropes from Swamp. Oh, this might be my new favorite map. Oh, there's even more gliders. Where does this zip line lead to? Look at this zip line. No, this is my new favorite map. I don't care. Look, this is so cool. This is better than Old Clouds, 100%, all the way. They still have the ice things. Woo! Oh, I'm going so fast. Oh, I'm hitting it. No, I fell. I'm just running around, honestly. Wait, can you just fly without it? No, you can't. Woo! Nah, I'd say it's the best. I'm trying. I don't know how to glide. I like these zip lines honestly better. I love swinging on these ropes. It feels so natural. Oh, I'm gonna hit some juke on these ropes. No, that rope. Alright guys, now we're doing a race to oh my god, it's that house right there. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Woo! Uh-oh. I fell. We all did. Oh, I'm gonna make it. I'm not making it. I fell down. Oh, wait, no, I didn't. Oh, this is honest. Pretty fun. I like this map. Yeah, this is harder than it looks. Like, I don't know how to steer. I'm gonna go back. Holy! Oh. Woo! I'm last. Alright, guys. This update was good. Now we're just gonna all jump to end the video. Bye.